Right, I'm going to go over to home. I'm going to go over to home, and then I'll locate Pixellab. I'll locate Pixellab right here, and then I'll uninstall it. All right, I'll uninstall Pixellab from this other phone. All right, so mind you, as you're uninstalling it, do not delete the folder. All right, do not delete the folder so that your files will be retained. Do not delete the folder so that your files will be retained. It's very, very, very important. Okay, so if I come to my files, you are still going to find Pixellab. You're going to find Pixellab. Can you see it here? You're going to find Pixellab right here. So don't delete the folder. So I'm going to go to my files. I think I have it right here. I sent it from this other phone to this other phone. So let's check it. So you can see the APK file here. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to try to install it here. Let me install and see what happens. All right, app installed. Wow. Now, if you are having issue, this is awesome. Let me open it. App installed. So I'm going to open it right. Wow, we have our new Pixellab right here, just like this. Can you see? Just like this. So we have our new Pixellab right here. Okay. Now, if I go to my projects, you're going to see all my projects from the other Pixellab folders are here. Now, my recent projects that I did with the new Pixellab are gone. So that's another importance of